Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook account on mobile. If you're considering quitting Facebook, it's important to decide if you want to temporarily pause or permanently erase your account. If you just want to take a break, try temporarily deactivating your account. You'll basically be hiding your profile without erasing any of your old posts. If you want to quit Facebook for good, you'll need to delete your account. To do so, open the Facebook app on your Android. On the home page, tap the three-lined menu. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy. Again, tap Settings. Tap on Personal Details. And tap Account Ownership and Control. Again, tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Select Deactivate Account or Delete Account and tap Continue to account deactivation or deletion. If you deactivate your account, you can reactivate anytime and access all your photos, videos, and friends. People can see your timeline or search for you. Some information you've sent to other users, like messages, will still be viewable by those users. If you use your Facebook account to log into third-party apps, you will not be able to access any information or purchases while your account is deactivated. Pages that only you control will be deactivated. If you want your page to remain active, you can give someone else control. And you can still chat with friends on Messenger. If you delete your account, you can't regain access once it's deleted. Note, there is a 30-day grace period in case you change your mind. Friends may still be able to see messages you've sent after your account has been deleted. Some Facebook information, such as your profile picture and log records, may remain in Facebook database but will no longer be connected to you. If you use your Facebook account to log into third-party apps, you won't be able to log into them or access your information. Pages that only you control will be deleted. If you want your page to remain active, you can give someone else control. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.